Okay, over here in Lancaster we've got a issue. There's a serious concaveness underneath this bird's mouth that's right here. So the shingles are actually sunk about an inch. And I'm suspect that water is getting in behind there. We're worried about it rotting it out, but I don't think the water's getting back there. I think that was originally framed like that, and I'll go over why. But this is a lot of roof area coming down into one section. And normally what would happen is there would be on this face, this would be like a fascia board. So this valley would be changed to where that valley actually would end up over here, and this valley would end up over here to where all of this can relieve out into, you know, further down in the roof. Got this issue that could be a problem, could be getting in there. Okay, we could, a little bit of flashing would probably help that. But that, I would recommend, this ice is up pretty bad too. So we're gonna end up putting our wire system up here. We'll take and run a pass on each side of the valley, go just about up to that pitch change and down, and the same going that way and down. And then thaw this whole area out and give us 2 passes that's gonna come down in the lower gutter and through the spout. And then I gotta figure out how to get a power source out here. So we've got 10 foot up each way. So you're gonna be 10, 20, 30, 40, and in the middle you're going to be doing another 20 feet, 50, 60, 70. So we're going to have over 100 feet of wire in this section here. And let me just move down. Okay, and so here's the concaveness here. So I don't, this water coming here, this fanning out here and fanning in over here, tells me that there's water getting underneath these shingles. Okay, so this wood is getting wet down here. Because you can see the water coming way over here. See how the water's trailing down here, and it should be just following straight down here. Well, it's trailing. This is wet right through here, so water's purging or perking in underneath this shingle, which would mean that it's coming in either from that point up there, which we could flash it, or something's happening up at the very top point. So the best way is to go by process elimination, get that one sealed off and see if this subsides. But this is going to have to be taken apart and addressed. So that means removing the siding here, removing these shingles, going up to that section, reflashing it, and then we can put these back on, provided they don't break when they come off. So they look like there's somebody may have tarred some of these. It's hard to tell. So we can never really get an exact match on shingles, but we can get it real close. And I hate to have that right here at the front door, so we're going to try to reuse what we got. And then obviously where we thaw out here, we got to keep it thawed in the gutter and down the downspout. And we would end up trying to get a power source somewhere out there. It would go about a foot down into the ground and come back up and out the side of the spout. So that's what's got to be done.